I was ready, they didn't have my back. They were petty, I stayed in my bed. On that fetty, I brought it right back. Machiavelli, yeah, keep it steady, they didn't like. Murder, show. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I got protect you when you feel you are in danger. You know I feel no new man, you know I'm not stranger. You want to know what you're comfortable. You want to believe it, you're comfortable. I know, I can't let you go. I know. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it.
We call it sleight of hand. My memory bad, so I'm fucking baby on cam. Go take a cold, I cop the RP a couple lambs. That boy's not a king, penny sold a couple grams. He ain't no gangster, grow up better than Adonis Graham. It's us.
She fight a flight, nigga, win this cat. She fight a flight, run away out of here. She fight a flight, nigga, can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, it's ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, little better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Burger 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud, I made out of the sewer. Grow hard accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, I'm just gon' empty shit. Bitch breaking niggas that look at the key. Heard it the fountain, but make it in Canada. Bring me this money like they my religion. This could be a man, they're sad, they vanity. Nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched the hundreds, this off the gig. That came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kid. I trap out of bundles, been put on the crib. But look at the ocean, it's my 30 M. Ain't no one met, the city I'm in. I keep me no funny, no matter what I'm in. I have touch an ass, you don't think she Korean. You fucking me good,
I said I'm deep and I'm fired up. All I want is not just get higher. Girl, you look so good, it's die for. Good, it's die for.
It's a secret society. My resume is real enough for 2 millenniums. A better way to make a way, start defending them. I meditate and moderate all of my wins again. I'm hanging on the fence again, I'm always on your mind. I put my lyric and my lifeline on the line. And ain't no limit when I might shine, might grind. Be rolling with it at the right time, right now. Only for the dollar sign.
Bad girl, baby now. Swear, 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 even now. On your pulse, I can see the end. Guessing, I can see the end. All lasting, strong and fast, thing, then it's that. With the full in the gas team, I'm established. 100 carats, on my ring, with the atlas. I'm a natural,
I'm a savage, I'm a lumber king. Shimmy out, shimmy out, shimmy out, right. You can tell your nigga you can meet me outside. You can maybe sit on when I leave around south. Ain't no one to love like the one I know. I done been down so long, lost so. I done came down so hard, I slow. Honestly, but have a holler real nigga won't.
I said I'm deep and I'm fired up. All I want tonight is just get higher.
Loyalty. 10-5, no switching sides. Feel something wrong. You acting shifty, you don't vibe when we no more. I need loyalty. Tell me who you're loyal to. Is it money, is it fame, is it weed, is it drink? Is it coming down with the loud pipes in the rain? Big chillin' only for the power in your name. Tell me who you're loyal to. Is it love for the streets when the lights get dark? Is it unconditional when the robbery don't start? Tell me when your loyalty is coming from the heart.
Tell me who you're loyal to. Don't stop with your woman or your man. Do it in with your family and friends. Or you're loyal to yourself and your plans. I said, tell me who you're loyal to.
Yeah, all these lame niggas in the way. All these broke hoes in my face. Yeah. I'm just tryna make my play. Just tryna make my name.